is a Kinetrol Actuator. We will operate it by forcing the 4 to 20 milliampere from this process calibrator. Process calibrator setting, source and measure loop. We can change the measure value from this button. Then the source will come, then we can measure. So we have to connect the knob at this point, 3 milliampere plus 3 wire, milliampere minus 4 wire, and these two cable will be connected here, 1 plus 2 minus, and this is the measuring cable, and measuring cable will be connected at this point. Measure milliampere bolt, loop and common will be black wire, and in milliampere bolt red wire. So these two cable is connected, number 3 positive and number 4 negative terminal. Then now we will give the milliampere. Okay, make it 8. Okay. Now 4 milliampere. Now our system is healthy and in zero condition. When we increase milliampere at 4, 8, then you can see this is moving. This is moving and milliampere is increasing. Now we will give 12 milliampere by pressing on this 25%. 12 milliampere, and here the gate is opening, and milliampere this increasing. Okay, now 16 milliampere is forcing, and you can see the feedback is coming and measuring milliampere is increasing. Now we force 20 milliampere, and here you can see the how many milliampere feedback is coming from this gate. Okay, here you can see approximately close. Our source is 20 milliampere, and we are getting the feedback 19.9 milliampere. So this gate don't require any calibration. If we need the calibration, then here from this position we can calibrate the for 20 milliampere and 4 milliampere adjustment. Now we will decrease the milliampere, 16 milliampere, and gate is closing. Milliampere and gate is closing. Here you can see 4 milliampere. Here you can see gate is completely closed, and feedback milliampere is 4.0. So this is good. Calibration not required. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.